Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the WorldApp failed to fetch data error. First, close the app from the background. Many times the app continues to run even when you move to other screens, and this can cause glitches. On your phone, open the list of background apps and swipe WorldApp away to fully close it. After that, open the app again and check if the error is gone. In most cases, this quick restart solves the problem. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the app cache. Cached files help apps load faster, but sometimes they get outdated or corrupted, which can cause connection errors. To clear the cache, find the WorldApp icon on your phone and press and hold it for a second. A small menu will appear. Tap on the App Info option. This will open the settings page for the app. Here, look for the option called Storage and Cache. Tap on it, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove all temporary files stored by the app. Once the cache is cleared, open the app again and see if it starts working properly. If clearing the cache does not solve the problem, the final step is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Reinstalling the app gives you a fresh copy without any broken files, and this usually fixes most errors. By following these steps, you can fix the WorldApp failed to fetch data error. Thanks for watching.